LCM of algebraic expressions. Examples. One, find the LCM, that is lowest common multiple, of A and B. Solution. Find the LCM of A and B, that is the lowest common multiple of A and B. We are still going to use table, but in a different approach compared to that of ACF. It's not the same. Now, for this, we don't have any, the only numeric factor we have that is common that you can see in this A and B is 1. And we are not interested in that. So in this case, for lowest common multiple, we are going to exhaust all elements inside. It's not like ACF. ACF, we don't exhaust all elements. ACF, we are only interested in what is common to both. But for LCM, we are interested in everything. So we are going to exhaust all elements for LCM. Take note of that. Now, the first element we have here is A. Now, we divide. A divided by A, what do we have? That is 1. Now, we don't use this A to divide B. We just copy and paste. We move this B like that because A is not a factor of B. So we don't need to divide. Because this one is not ACF. This is LCM. So we use everything. A divided by A1, but A is not a factor of this. If you are dividing, and what you have here is not a factor of what you are having, you just write the same expression. You repeat it and write it there. So this is B, because A is not a factor of B. Now, looking at, we have 1 here, and we're having B here. We have not used B at all. We need to use B. We use B. So now, 1 divided by B. B is not a factor of 1. So therefore, we just copy and paste 1. We write 1 like that. Now, but looking at what we have here, we have B. B divided by B, what do we have? We have 1. Now, since we're having 1, 1, one of the rules of this approach is that at the end of everything, you must have 1 in the first column and in the second column, provided you are trying to find the LCM of 2 algebraic expressions. At the last part, you will have 1, 1. Meaning that you must exhaust all elements before you can get your final answer. But that of ACF, you don't exhaust all elements. Now, let's get the final answer to this question. Now, it means that the LCM of A and B will give us what? A times B. And that is what? AB. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you.